What is the standard number of holes in a full round of golf? A. 9, B. 12, C. 18, D. 24. Answer: C. 18. A standard round of golf consists of 18 holes, which is universally recognized in competitive golf. What is the term for one stroke under par on a hole? A. Birdie, B. Eagle, C. Par, D. Bogey. Answer: a birdie. A birdie refers to completing a hole one stroke under par. Who has won the most major championships in men's golf? A. Jack Nicklaus, B. Tiger Woods, C. Arnold Palmer, D. Gary Player. Answer: a. Jack Nicklaus. Jack Nicklaus holds the record with 18 major championship victories. What is the highest governing body of golf? A. PGA Tour, B. USGA, C. R&A, D. European Tour. Answer: C. R&A. The R&A, Royal and Ancient, and the USGA, United States Golf Association, are the key governing bodies for golf, with the R&A overseeing the sport globally outside of the US. What is the golf term for a score of 2 strokes under par on a hole? A. Eagle, B. Birdie, C. Albatross, D. Par. Answer: a eagle. An eagle occurs when a player completes a hole in 2 strokes less than par. What is the maximum number of clubs allowed in a golf bag during a round? A. 12, B. 13, C. 14, D. 15. Answer: C. 14. According to the rules of golf, a player may carry up to 14 clubs during a round. What does par represent in golf? A. The number of strokes needed to complete a hole. B. The average number of strokes needed by a professional. C. The expected number of strokes to complete a hole. D. The maximum strokes allowed. Answer: C. The expected number of strokes to complete a hole. Par is the number of strokes a skilled golfer is expected to take to complete a hole. Which famous golf tournament is held annually at Augusta National Golf Club? A. The Masters, B. The US Open, C. The Open Championship, D. The PGA Championship. Answer: a. The Masters. The Masters is held at Augusta National Golf Club in Georgia, USA, and is one of the 4 major championships. In golf, what is the term for the starting area of each hole? A. Fairway, B. Tee box, C. Green, D. Bunker. Answer: B. Tee box. The tee box is the designated area where players take their first shot on each hole. Which golfer is known as the Golden Bear? A. Arnold Palmer, B. Tiger Woods, C. Jack Nicklaus, D. Gary Player. Answer: C. Jack Nicklaus. Jack Nicklaus is nicknamed the Golden Bear due to his dominance in golf and his large physical stature. What is a hole-in-one in golf? A. Completing a hole with 1 stroke. B. Finishing a hole with 2 strokes under par. C. Playing the round without penalties. D. Hitting the ball into a bunker. Answer: a. Completing a hole with 1 stroke. A hole-in-one occurs when the golfer hits the ball directly into the hole from the tee with 1 stroke. What is the most prestigious golf tournament in the United Kingdom? A. The Open Championship, B. The Masters, C. The US Open, D. PGA Championship. Answer: a. The Open Championship. The Open Championship, also known as the British Open, is considered the most prestigious golf tournament in the UK. What is the name of the golfer who famously won the Tiger Slam? A. Phil Mickelson, B. Tiger Woods, C. Rory McIlroy, D. Greg Norman. Answer: B. Tiger Woods. Tiger Woods won 4 consecutive major championships, a feat known as the Tiger Slam. What does the term links refer to in golf? A. A type of golf course near the sea. B. The connection between clubs. C. A specific type of club. D. A tournament format. Answer: A. A type of golf course near the sea. Links courses are located in coastal areas and feature natural, sandy terrain. Which major golf championship is held in April each year? A. The US Open, B. The Open Championship, C. The Masters, D. PGA Championship. Answer: C. The Masters. The Masters is traditionally held in April at Augusta National Golf Club. Who was the first golfer to win the Masters tournament? A. Tiger Woods. B. Arnold Palmer. C. Horton Smith. D. Bobby Jones. Answer: C. Horton Smith. Horton Smith won the inaugural Masters tournament in 1934. Which country is home to the St. Andrews Golf Course, known as the home of golf? A. England. B. Ireland. C. Scotland. D. Wales. Answer: C. Scotland. St. Andrews is located in Scotland and is recognized as the birthplace of golf. Which term describes hitting the ball into the water? A. Birdie. B. Water hazard. C. Eagle. D. Mulligan. Answer: B. Water hazard. A water hazard refers to a water feature on the course that penalizes the golfer if the ball lands in it. Which golfer has the nickname Lefty? A. Tiger Woods. B. Phil Mickelson. C. Rory McIlroy. D. Dustin Johnson. Answer: B. Phil Mickelson. Phil Mickelson is nicknamed Lefty due to his left-handed swing. What is the maximum allowable time to search for a lost golf ball? A. 1 minute. B. 3 minutes. C. 5 minutes. D. 10 minutes. Answer: B. 3 minutes. Players are allowed a maximum of 3 minutes to search for a lost ball under the rules of golf.